You scroll for a few minutes, 30, maybe an hour, and somehow you just feel worse. Not tired, not exactly sad, just empty? So here's the real question. Are we in a social media crisis? Not you, because you're watching this channel. We've never been more connected in this world, yet you never felt more alone. You can talk to hundreds of people a day, but you still feel like nobody actually knows you. Because most of what you see online isn't real. It's just highlight reels. Everyone's winning, everyone's happy, everyone's ahead. And then your brain starts to ask, why doesn't my life feel like that? Social media is designed like a slot machine. Scroll, reward. Scroll, reward. Scroll, maybe something better? Every like, every comment, every video just gives you a small dopamine spike. But here's the problem. The more dopamine you consume, the less you feel. Real life starts to feel slow and boring. Who likes that? Most important, even meaningless. There has to be something in this book about meaning. You're not just watching content, you're comparing their body versus yours, their money versus yours, their success versus yours, and you don't even realize it's happening. You see, social media quietly rewires your standards until your normal life doesn't feel good enough anymore. It's not just social media, it's what it replaces. Real conversations, real struggles, real growth, real boredom. Remember, boredom is a good thing and it actually creates creativity. Today, you're consuming more than ever and creating less. And that imbalance just creates this emptiness void. Because humans are not just made to consume. We're built to build, struggle, and grow. This isn't about quitting social media completely. I like that you're watching this channel. It's about taking control. Here's how you can do it. Create more than you consume. Limit your inputs. Remember boredom? Yeah, that's your old friend. And also focus on real life wins, not just anything you press on your phone. This includes business, skills, relationships. We're not just in a social media era. And don't get me wrong, I don't completely hate social media. I use it. But we are in a social media crisis. And the scariest part, most people don't even realize it. But now you do. Congratulations. So the main question you need to ask yourself, are you going to keep scrolling or are you going to start living? If you took value from today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And remember, limit your social media, don't eliminate it. Until next time, folks, we will see you on the next one.